In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text function in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to display a number or a date in a very specific way, or combine it cleanly with words in the same cell, the text function is your best friend. Start by identifying the value you want to reformat. Click the cell that already contains the number or date you're working with, for example, A1. It can be a plain number, a currency value, a date, a time, or even a percentage. What matters is that the cell holds a real numeric or date value, not text that looks like a number. If your date isn't behaving like a date, make sure Sheets recognizes it as one, or the formatting won't apply properly. Next, decide on the format you want. This is where format codes come in. For dates, something like DDMY will display a crisp day, short month name, and full year, such as 05 Feb 2026. For currency, $Sabaros or Sabaros dollars will add the dollar symbol, commas, and optional decimal places. You can do 0.00% for percentages, 0.00 for fixed length numbers like zip codes, or HHMM, AMPM for times. Think of the format code as instructions that tell Sheets how to dress up the value without changing what it is underneath. Now enter your formula in an empty cell. Type equals text A1, your format code. For example, x text A1 DDMY, or equal text A1 dash. Make sure the format code is inside quotes. If you need to include literal words inside the format itself, wrap those words in additional quotes within the format, or escape quotes as needed. Press enter, and you'll see the value transformed exactly how you specified. Take note of the result. Text converts the underlying number into a piece of text with the styling applied. That's perfect for reports, dashboards, or whenever you're combining numbers with words. For example, you could write your balance is and text A1 number down zeros to create a polished sentence. Just remember, because the result is text, it won't behave like a number in calculations. Keep the original numeric value somewhere if you still need to do math on it, and use the text output purely for display. A couple of final tips. Formats can be sensitive to your spreadsheet's locale, which affects symbols and separators. If something looks off, check your locale settings. And for dates, use valid date values so the format applies correctly. With these basics, you'll have full control over how your data looks while keeping your sheets clean, readable, and professional.